No gold is not enough.
Alright, what's going on, guys? We got something very special in today. Boom. Been waiting for that for a very long time. About 2 months now. So I will give you guys a cold start. Stock exhaust. Pretty basic, as we know. A couple little revs. Boring. Alright, be back in a second with this sound clip. Alright guys, about halfway. Got the rear cowl off, we got the seat off, we got stock exhaust, the stock cat off, just have to pull all that off from the mount. And here's all of our stock parts here, stock muffler, stock cat with the cables for the servo, for the valve in there. Here's the servo itself that we pulled out, don't need any of that anymore. And then if you guys are gonna do this to your bike and you're not gonna get it flashed right away, what you're gonna want to get is this little guy right here, a servo buddy. You can put that in place. I'm gonna get this dynoed, but not at the moment, so I got the servo buddy in there. That's all set. Sneak peek at the new stuff. Full titanium SC Project exhaust. This stuff is super light. I mean, it's got this nice carbon fiber guard here, SC Project on there. And here's our actual can. It's gonna slip onto that mid pipe. Full titanium as well. Look at that. So I gave you guys a quick start. Open headers. We'll check it out, and we'll go from there. It's gonna be loud. That's all we need from that. Alright, let's smooth that out a little bit, huh? With the new SC Project. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, she's all back together. Got the exhaust on. SC Project. Let's see what this thing sounds like, huh? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna get this dyno tuned very shortly, so be looking for that and everything else that we're gonna be doing with it. If you like the channel, feel free to comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.